Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add shipping address on AliExpress account. So first we're going to go to the AliExpress app. Then next we're going to click on account. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then once you're here, you're going to click on shipping address. Then click on add new address. So you're going to fill out your address info, your name, your mobile phone number, as well as your address, which includes your city and zip code. So once you're done, you're going to click on save. So now we have added our shipping address. It's an easy tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.